I'm going to show you how you can up your game with landscape photography, beautiful blue skies, just using one of these. Look at that blue sky, that's fantastic. And little white fluffy clouds, now that's the ideal sky for one of these. This is a polarizing filter, and with this we can make that sky go a really deep blue, but we won't affect the clouds. So how does it do that? Put very simply, polarizing filters have tiny lines. Light vibrates in all directions, so when it gets to the filter it passes through and is now polarized. Reflected light is already polarized. That means it's just vibrating in one direction. When it gets to the filter, it bounces off if the filter is positioned with the lines in an opposing way. It can't get through. Therefore, that area of the picture appears darker. Blue skies are actually reflected light, which means that light from a blue sky won't get through the polarizing filter, so it goes darker. But the light from the clouds, that's not reflected light, that'll still go through. If I take a picture without the polarizer on, that's very nice, but the sky is just an ordinary blue sky. So let's pop the polarizing filter on the front. And if you think blue skies look good, wait till you try it with black and white film. They go black. They look really, really moody. And of course, it's not just blue skies that are reflected light. If we've got glass or water, any light that's reflected is polarized, so it will help take those out too. So if you're into landscape photography, polarizing filter, get one in the bag. They're absolutely essential bits of kit. This is what you need.